Hello everyone, this is Ken Latham, the Design Guy, signing in. Alright, Ed, nice. Here's a new layout for this bathroom. I think you'll like this one. Have come up with based on the idea that you were trying to put the tub and the shower together. I think is going to work well. So what I've done is a raised cabinet. We'll look at this in 3D in just a minute, but doing a raised cabinet because a door would be interfering with the toilet. We just don't have enough height there. So from there, I was also able to get in what you were wanting with that 48-inch vanity, and we've got that shelf back behind it. We've got a 2-4 door going into the shower. Then right inside, you can reach in and turn your shower on so the water can warm up. And then from there, you could get into the shower. Then as well, let me move this camera out of the way. We also put in a handheld shower that's on a rod in the back. So let's take a look at that. And what we have there, again, see, we can turn that mirror on for reflections, but that kind of makes it hard to, with the reflections going on, kind of makes it hard to be able to see things. So I'm going to turn those reflections back off. Okay, so that black is just the mirror. I'm using different color materials just to make it easier to see. So we've got your door coming into the bathroom, your 48-inch vanity we talked about. Then we're doing the raised ledge and then the mirror back behind it. Then we're able to take and slide this toilet on around and we can put that in front of that window, just as such as the other bathroom has. Over the stairway, we don't have enough headroom to be able to get a full height door, full height linen closet, and that would have been, excuse me, that would have been just to the back side here if I would have just used the space that's available. Uh, and it would have been behind the toilet, so you really wouldn't have gotten much use out of it. So I did something a little bit different there. Let's go in and look at that. What I'm doing is here is your original ceiling that's sitting there now, and this is the original wall that's there. So essentially, we're going to build just a 2x4 platform and a wall with space to be able to lay our cabinet into. So that's the way that I'm looking at getting those cabinets. The space down here would be so low you really wouldn't be able to get to it. But if you really wanted to have a cabinet door made for that, you could. All right, let's go back to the 3D. Okay, and then back to that shower area. We've got your 42-inch by 6-foot tub that we had talked about. And I'm using different color materials just so you can make this out easier. So the material that's on the floor is not necessarily what's going to be used. It's just showing the difference between what's on the floor and the step into the shower and then what's onto the wall. And then what I like using are the handheld bars. I've got the shower head, the rain head, set up at 7 foot, and that should be tall enough for Ed. If not, we'll go back in. You can double check that, Ed, to be sure where we need to be at, but I think that'll put you fine. I put the top of this tile in at 7 foot 4 inches, so that should be plenty of height. Then with, again, going back to the handheld, you're able to slide that up and down. So you'll be able to use that at pretty much any height that you need to be able to get to with it. I did not put a seat in here based on really we've got a tub. So for shaving your legs, you can put your foot up onto that tub and be able to do your shaving there and then turn back around and use the hose for rinsing off. Then let's spin this around. If we go to the outside, this one is removing the outside walls. So just another view of being able to see this, but I'm thinking that's working real well. This cabinet could be pulled back to be made really deep if you want it to. It's going to end up being a custom cabinet anyway. I don't know if you really need to go that deep. It'd be really tough getting back to the back. That would be your call. We'll discuss that some more. So, very good. I think that'll give you the idea of where we're heading at. All right, so I'll be waiting to hear back from you. Goodbye, everyone. This is Ken Latham, the design guy, signing off. Have a great day. Bye now.